Good day everyone. Today we got a G532F and the mic is gone off the board, and luckily I have another board which had some software issue and didn't want to come right, so I used it as a scrap and I could track the mic tracks. So I'll share it with you. Where do they go? As you can see that there is that mic. I'll now show you how the board looks from front. So you can see this mic was completely out of the board. One wire I just left to put it again just to show you. Now coming back to that thing, how to track it. So what I did was that I took this other board and I set the multimeter on my beep, and I did check the negative ones first. You see these two are negative, and if you check it with the board negative you will see them. So you can, on the mic you can join these two and put a wire here. Now let's assume this is +1 and +2. One is for your mic positive and the other one is voice enhancer. So +1 and +2, I'll show you where to put it. I'll just make the board a little bit closer so you can see there also, and then I drew a small bit drawing onto the paper as well. I'll share you from there as well. As you can see, these two are negative. So what I did on the mic, I just joined them together, the top, both of them, and I just put it there onto the negative of the board. Now P1, if you can see there, you must put a wire here on the P1 point, +1 point. I'll just join them just a little bit later. And then if you see this resistor there, 1, 2, 3, and these are straight one, this is onto the sideway. So on this pin of the resistor you're gonna put P1, and right next to it, the straight one, you're going to put P2 on top side. These two are the tracks. I'll show you also working on the other board that when they're going to beep there you will see that this is P1 and this is P2 going on top there. My meter is on continuity. You can see the red light there. So this is P1. I've removed the resistors from this other board, and you can see there the red light. Then simultaneously I'll show you onto this P2 also. You can see there it's beeping. So P1 goes here and P2 goes on top of the resistor there. Now I'm just going to solder them quickly, and then I'll show you after closing the phone that the mic is working. As you can see, there is no mic prints here, so definitely on this board it's not working. I drew a picture also. If you can see there, 1, 2, 3, 4th resistors facing sideways, that's P1, and the next to it's trending P2 going on top there. 3, 4 is your negative. You can connect it together on the mic and connect it to the board, anywhere onto the board negative. This one goes to the board negative. So that's your board negative. P1 goes here and P2 goes on top. And now that you can see onto the board as well. Now I'm going to assemble it. It's the same board. Let's put the back cover quickly. Need to make some adjustment here. I did assemble it, as you can see. Still need to put glue on here, and we're going to test the mic now. Hello. You can see from these lines it's working. So we're gonna stop here, and before then that I've done few recordings and it wasn't working. As you can hear it, now the mic is working. So if the mic is completely gone off the board, I showed you tracks, you can build the new tracks with direct onto the mic and it should be able to work. If there is any question, please do ask me. Please subscribe my channel, I need subscriptions. I'll really appreciate that, guys. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye. This was G532 Mic Ways.